Hey everybody, it's Warren from DATATALE. In this very short video, I will show you how you can analyze your own personal Teams data within Power BI within Teams. So open up your Teams, and if you click on the ellipse or the three dots here, you can go into the Power BI app. Now, in the Power BI app, you can create Power BI reports. So just click on the Create tab here. And here is an option of Analyze your Teams data. So what you can do is click on that, and that will connect you to Teams. So I'm connected on today's date, and it'll build out a Power BI report where you can see your own Power BI data. So here I can see in the last 30 days, I've participated in 52 meetings, organized 19 of them, I've had 10 calls, and I can see my calls over time, how many messages I've sent to people, and you can also look at team activity and you get team details as well. And it looks like you can even edit this report and have a look at the tables behind it. Create or edit your own pages within Power BI. So access to your own Teams data via Power BI within Teams. So that's pretty cool. If you're interested in more Power BI reports or updates, please make sure you do follow my YouTube page or connect with me over on LinkedIn.